Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida. Today I'm working with two of my most favorite commodities. We have Florida cabbage and Florida tomatoes. Both of these two things are in season right now, and you can pick them up at your local grocery store. Make sure to stay safe when you're doing that. But for now, let's talk about these wonderful recipes. And by the way, these recipes are on freshfromflorida.com, so you can check out all these recipes and many more on there. But first, cabbage. We've got our braised Florida cabbage with sausage and potatoes. A really excellent dish. It's great for a side dish or even a hearty lunch style dish as well. We'd serve this with some real nice crusty bread. Delicious. We also have our Florida tomato and green pepper flatbread pizza. Very simple and easy preparation. You could put this on bread, flatbread, whatever you like. Have fun with this recipe because it is fun. Get everybody involved, get the kids involved, and get cooking recipes like this. We also have a Florida tomato and zucchini linguine that we're going to be cooking. I've got the sauce ready to go here. Put this right over our pasta dish. It smells phenomenal. It's fresh and delicious and healthy. Look at that. We're just going to finish it off with a little bit of fresh herbs that come right out of the garden and a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese on top of there. Beautiful. All these recipes and many, many more are on freshfromflorida.com. So I hope you get out there and help support our incredibly hardworking farmers, and fishermen, and ranchers, and also the amazing grocery stores and markets that are out there doing incredible work to make sure we can continue to buy fresh, delicious, and safe Florida produce. So remember, when you're out there shopping, make sure you look for the Fresh from Florida logo.